power of Ford. This is the Local 4 News Morning Powercast.
And welcome back here at 8:20. Once a year, students at the University of Michigan get a chance to show off their hard work and creativity at their annual Design Expo. This morning, local forecaster Andrew Humphrey takes a look at their prized projects, which are sure to impress. Andrew?
Thank you very much, Corey. If you ever wondered, gee, what am I learning this in math class about or this in science class? This is where it's all proven. This is where it all comes together at the University of Michigan, the best public university in the world, with the College of Engineering's Design Expo, and it's coming up this Thursday. I have with us 4 students, and I'm going to talk with Gabriella Harrison and John Nanry. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Gabriella, tell us about the Design Expo. Who are the participants, and what kind of exhibits will people see?
Well, as you mentioned, we spend a lot of time in classes wondering why we're learning these things, and the Design Expo is a chance for us to take the knowledge that we've accumulated in the last 4 years and put it into a major project that's sponsored by local companies. There are different medical technologies that are researched and redesigned. There are different manufacturing techniques that are advanced, and there are even fuel cell technologies, fuel cells in industrial technologies that are brought forth.
And several students participate, is that right?
All of the seniors in mechanical engineering are required to do a senior project, and so half of the graduating class this year will be participating in this semester's Design Expo.
Well, John, why don't you tell us about this project right here, the design of this wheel. Why is it so important?
Well, we're on the Formula team, which creates a race car to race. And these wheels are, excuse me, they're lighter and stronger than the old ones.
Now this one right here, the more silvery one, this is what was from last year, right?
Yeah.
And what makes this one different from last year's?
This one is, so this is made out of aluminum, which is heavy and not as strong. And this is made out of magnesium, and it's a lot lighter, which affects all performance of the car, all areas. So you can accelerate faster, brake harder, corner quicker.
And tell us about the design and manufacturing. How long did it take and what was involved?
Okay, well, it took a good solid 4 to 5 months probably of designing. And initially we designed it in the computer and used a computer program to simulate the loads. And then we used a new manufacturing technique, rapid prototyping, where we were able to reduce the cost of designing and manufacturing this from tens of thousands of dollars to a couple $100.
And those are some of the pictures of your actual designs, is that right?
Yeah, that's the computer simulation. This is the rapid prototyping, the mold for the wheel. And this is the final computer design of the wheel.
And finally, in talking about this feature at the Design Expo, you said it's for your racing team. Gabriella, why don't you tell us about the Formula SAE racing team and what's coming up this year for it?
All right, Formula SAE is an international intercollegiate competition where students design, build, test a race car nearly from scratch every year. Our team builds 80 to 90% of the car completely on our own. These are pictures from last year. We went to Japan, and this year we'll be competing in Detroit in May and actually competing in England in July. So we're looking forward to continuing our success from last season.
And this is a worldwide competition, right?
International competition, yes.
Well, you can definitely hear about that. See exhibits just like this one we have here at our studios at the University of Michigan College of Engineering Design Expo. It takes place this Thursday from 1 in the afternoon till 5 in the afternoon at the Duderstadt Center on North Campus at the University of Michigan. For the phone number, there you go, 734-647-7080. And admission is free. Again, the best price in town.
Yeah.
Well, again, students, thanks a lot for joining us. Corey, back to you. Go Blue.